so good.
Okay. So you're hidden today, huh?
Hidden? What you
Yeah.
say?
Yeah. I mean, I can't see your name. You change your name.
Okay. Yes, I
Use a
reset
different name.
my computer, so I
Oh,
just
okay.
yes, reinstalled the Zoom, so
No
my
problem.
name got yes, weird.
Okay. So how was the exercises so far?
I had so much fun solving that.
Okay, good, good. So I have only little comments on about the exercise.
Yes,
So far, yes, I can see improvement. This means that you are able to follow the advices so far. Um,
yes.
so question one, I got nothing to say about it.
Okay.
Um, Question two, I believe we got something to say about it. So actually, okay. So we need to. I think you need to open the exercise also with me so that you are able
Okay.
to follow up. Uh, Let me see here. We open your exercise, your solution problem.
Yeah, I opened it.
Okay. Yeah, but I need to. I need to open also the
Okay.
exercise from my side. The main. Yeah. Here. So exercise 3. Yeah. Okay, so question 2 was talking about giving two integer arrays A and B, each have three lengths of 3,
Yes.
and
Yes. Yes.
return a new array length 2 containing their middle elements, right? So let me share with you then. So what you write is actually not bad at all, but and you did a good check that it is the length of the array is 3.
Yes.
And you already also do a good check that all the elements inside the array is also a digit, which is also good.
Yes. It
Okay.
takes a long time to solve.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, but actually, the solution is, I mean, yes, what you did is correct, but of course, I have certain comments here. So, to me, while true, while true is, I'm not sure if um I'm not sure is too long. I mean, I never see a usage of while true in this way. So just while true only is I have read some programming books that say um, it shouldn't be used unless it's really a long loop that should be always running for long. It is correct. It is correct. It's not wrong. But
Okay.
I never see senior programmers or common programmers from colleagues even writing while true. It is up to you, but I'm
Okay.
telling you from the experience and from even reading a lot of senior people code. I never see while true is used a lot. So unless you're having a code that in a shop that always
Yes.
need to be always working, looping always, like you are
Mm.
always looping for a menu that will never stop. So it's 24 hours working, you know? So
Okay. Well, I also had wondered that is there a better way to use looping as much as I want, because I want to um I want to configure that uh if it's the input is wrong, then I want to loop the code again. So
okay,
I
so
also had wondered that is
okay.
is there any better way than using while loop?
Yes,
Yes,
typically
yes.
the more cleaner way is to use.
Okay.
So while yes, you can use the condition, okay, and
Yes.
keep the condition true, and then if under the while loop, there is a block of code, right? So in the
Yes.
block of code, if your condition, if what you're looking for is satisfied, you say, so the condition here can be a flag. So typically, I will just call it, we can sometimes call it a status flag, condition, a condition flag. So a flag can be, okay, I would say status 1, for example, equal true. So this
Yes.
is status is a Boolean variable. So
Yes.
I will put status equal true. So first I will initiate status to be equal true, and I will replace the word condition with status.
Okay.
And then I will say, I will do the checks that you have been doing here. Okay, so this
Yeah.
if statement with all the conditions here that you've already put here. So use it like that. And then if it is correct, then I would say status
Okay.
equal false. So it means, okay, you will run the code. If the
Yes.
condition satisfied, then
Yes.
status equal false. So it means the while loop will exit.
Yes. Yes. That's very interesting. Yes.
Okay, so that is
Okay.
more cleaner way than while true. Okay.
Okay. I think I can use that way from next time.
Oh, good. Yes, I can see that. Yes, you are progressing. It's clear, and you are a hardworking student. I
Thank
can
you.
agree. Yes. So okay. Now let me go. So what you've done, I can't deny that you've done an excellent work. I mean, but in my case, if I look into an answer, that should be the
Yes.
answer. I mean, just one line, which is definitely you have done that.
Yes.
I
Yes.
mean, yes, but so yes, I
But I
agree.
want
You
to
have done
just
that.
yes. Yes. I just want to put additional function.
Yeah, yes,
So
okay.
that's why. Yes. Yes.
It is clear, and it's there is no issue with that. Okay, so
Okay.
again, I would say yes. What you have done is correct, except that why do you need to put continue here?
Because I read somewhere that continue will active go back to let sorry. Well, I read somewhere that continue will let the code back to loop
No.
so that I
I mean,
can
I
yes
mean, there is okay. So, okay, we already know inside a while loop, you finish the block of code.
yes
After you finish the block of code, it will come and check the condition. If it is
yes
satisfied, it will continue running again. So, in this context,
okay
continue have no purpose. Okay, because once you reach here, okay, automatically you need
yes
to come to the while and check a condition.
okay so that even the condition is not uses the code will run fine okay right
Yes.
now I can see oh wow
Okay, so
okay
I don't say that continue have no purpose, but not in the current place that you are putting it. So it's good that yes, okay, when you write something, then I'm able to fine tune a bit and here and there. So what you have done, okay, is perfect. I would say, but what we expect that we give. So your code as an input
yes
actually can be done outside the function. So it means that middle as a function
yes
should take two inputs, x and y, or a and b. And a is a list, b is a list. Okay, so it means
okay.
yes, you can check. You can check because one thing here. So you say here print 3 numbers. Or enter 3 numbers, right? So
Yes.
how can the user enter 3 numbers?
By 1 2 3 or 5 7 4 like that
Yes, but when he enters the number, how, I mean, so how to say, okay, I accept that. Okay, okay.
Yes,
So initially we talk. I mean, initially that middle function should be dealing with a list, but you treat it as a string. But okay,
yes,
it's
because
okay, fine.
yes, because I thought right list is kind of inconvenient. So I thought that it would be it would be better to convert into list what the user input. So I thought it would be the better way. So
Okay, fine. Yeah, it's fine. You look at it from a different perspective, and I can't say it's a wrong perspective. It is a different point of view,
okay,
and I have to respect it, and I have to support the way your mind works, because again,
thank you.
we are not a replica from. We are not replica. It means I cannot make you replicate from me or
Yes,
from just.
that's
So
right.
yes, I just only need to fine tune, and your way of thinking is not bad. It's you're just looking into things from different perspective. So I respect that. Okay, fine. Okay, and yeah, I just need to delete here. Okay, here we move to the next. Yeah, this is the answer. And okay, so question 3. Um, question 3. Again,
Can
it's
you
also, yeah,
erase the rest of the okay, okay.
yeah. Okay. So question 3, let me go and read that question 3. So question 3, giving a string, return a string where for every character in the original string, there is 2
Yes,
characters. So it means that you need to double the characters of that is presented to you in the input, right? So
yes.
you have, interesting. So you have done, actually, I can't say that you're wrong. You're correct. You again, you look at it in from a different perspective also, but then the ideal answer would be something like that. So yeah, again, it's just not so much different from what you have done. It
Okay.
is just that we use one less variable than
Oh,
you use.
well, I thought the question was you have to return the uh double word. So I use
Yes.
different variant. Yes.
So okay, yeah, yes, you should return a double one, but there is no harm that you can even. So the difference between what we have done and what you have done is that
Yes.
we use I mean we used less character, less very less, only one less variable than yours. But yours is correct. Okay, is I cannot say anything. It's okay. It's correct.
Yes,
So it's
but
fine.
well, I want to ask that in idle answer, uh, can I return variable? Can I return variable without using another one? Because
Yes, why not?
uh
Why not? Yes.
okay.
But your code is correct. I mean, I don't. It will be wrong that I force you to this extent of being stingy in the creating variables. No. It's fine. You are fine.
Oh,
Totally fine.
I'm not saying that I was saying that can I return the double word in idle answer, because in idle answer you only print the double one for now.
Yes. Just for illustration only. Yes, it's true. What you have done is correct. Yes, I'm just the only thing, the only difference between what
Yes, I can see the point. Yes, okay.
yes, but I mean, yes, you put it. I only was concerned about that part only, but your answer is correct. Just in short, to avoid confusion, and also, I mean, your code is correct, and it's not worse that we even waste time on it. So it's correct. I mean, it's fine.
Mm.
It's totally fine.
But can I use that? Well, if I don't use postchar various, then I can use I instead of postchar in the code and return I. That can be make sense. Is that can be make sense?
It's possible if you put it inside here. Yes. Yes, it's possible.
Wow. I didn't know
Um,
that I can return I in four condition. It's
yeah,
very interesting.
yeah. So, but again, it is to be frank, your code also is more clear than the other one, than the ideal solution. To be frank, so when I look at your code, yes, it's more, yeah, it's more clear. It's clear. Okay. So
Okay.
but let us try something. Okay, I tell you. Give me a second here. It's actually, you raised a good how to say, a good point that we should look into. Let me share. So okay, now I'm sharing here. So let us write the code. I mean, let's not assume anything. So double character like that, right?
Yes.
And you got some input, let's say
Yes.
str, right? And you said, let's say results. Okay, so, and then for I in range, or even, no, it's better to write in str directly. And then we said what we said just now, that you write it like that, right? But I
Yes.
said to you that we can do this way.
Yes.
And let me see. Okay. So yeah, here. Let me see. Can we return I? Return I. So yes, it's true, we are able to print it, but
Yes.
yes, I see your point, but okay. So let me see here. Are we able to return it? I believe no, but let me see. Give me a second. Wait. It doesn't. Oops. Okay. He's complaining about something, but print. Print. Let me see. Double character, and then ABC. And let me see here if he accepts that.
Yes, I wonder that can be work.
It can work, right?
Oh, well,
No, it will
not
not
right
work.
way.
Yes, it's true. So it is true, I will only carry the last thing. So yes, you are correct. Just wonder, yeah, you're actually correct. So we have to use the results. We can't use I.
Okay.
In this case, you are correct here. Seemed that I oversaw that. Okay, result. Yep. Do I have to double I? So that was your answer, right?
Well, and use return result instead of return I.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that will work. Yes.
And you should put plus before the equal. Yes, yes.
So what about that? It will not.
No. You should put plus sign before the equal sign.
Close sign. Sorry again. What does
Plus
it mean?
sign, plus.
Plus sign. Ah, yeah, because
Yes.
yes, of course. If you don't use plus, then it will only return the last one, right?
Yes.
Okay. So like that.
Yes, I think.
Okay. So do you think we are able to fine tune it more than this?
Yes.
Are we able? I think no.
In my knowledge, I can simplify this code.
No.
for
I think I think it is. I think this is the best. Yes, I think this is the best. Yeah, it can't be more than that. Can be better.
Okay.
It's only just a few lines of code. Okay.
Yes.
So you proved yourself correct. You are the master now. Okay. So let's return back. Okay. Okay. So question number 4, double letter. Let me try to have a look here. So double letter. What did we do here in the double letter? Let me read. Exercise again.
I wanted to add condition if word count is more than 2, like 3 or 4, it will also not gonna print true because it's not double. But I think in idle answer, more than double can be just print double. But I want to clarify that 3 or 4 is not double.
No, do you mind repeating again, please?
Okay. Oh well, I think in idle answer, I think you will just return it is double, even it's more than double, like 3 or 4. But I want to make condition. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
I want to.
if it is repeated at least 2 times, then you should report that and return false. Yes. So
Okay.
yeah. Okay. So in this case, yes, the exercise text says that if it is double, but and it's concerned that and it's only concern him here that is repeated 2 times. Okay. So if it is repeated more or not, it doesn't matter anymore. You will just return false also. Oh, sorry, return true. In this case, yes, return true. Return false if there's no double, and return true if there is a double. So if any of the character is repeated, then you will definitely return true. So let me see here. How did you? I also see that it can be slightly simpler than that. So see, there is 2 possible solutions. Can you see my screen here?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so I know I can understand that this concept is not very clear to you. I think maybe it's fine. I mean, it's fine that you cannot find it so fast. I mean, I don't know. I didn't go so much details in your code, but what I wanted to tell you that if I have a string and this string is sorry, so we say H E L L O. So in this string, So here, oops, and this is, I need to,
Oh, did
0,
I
1.
misunderstand the question?
No, but I mean, you didn't misunderstand, but I think you solved it in a longer way, I believe, because I am writing here to you. This is two possible solutions. This is solution 1, and this is solution 2, sorry, and this is solution 1. Okay.
But in solution 1, it only can find the double letter with next to it, because it only compared the next one. If it's if the same letter is not next to it, exact next to it, but then it won't be able to find.
Yes, I agree. I totally agree. But the point in this question was to find letters that is following each other.
Really?
Yeah.
I
that is
think I can't
see, but okay. So
okay.
you look at so when in the question
okay,
we
I
already have.
misunderstood. Yes.
Okay, I think let me share this. So again, here, if you can see here, these lines of code, actually it is explaining what is expected. So here it returns false because there is nothing. Nothing is repeated. Here turn true because there is LL. Here PP. Okay. So and here is returning true because of the T. I can't see why it's returning something wrong here.
Yes. I thought
This
that
is wrong. This is wrong.
yes.
So OpenAI
Also, A is not uses.
Yes. So this is also wrong.
Yes.
Okay. And ABC is false because there is no double. And so other than this, so PP, yes, PP is because it's 2 consecutive letters, and LL because 2 consecutive Ls. Okay, so that is yeah. So that is the point here. So
yes, I couldn't find that consecutive double letters. I just thought double letter. I just thought that code is to find only double letters.
Okay, so I have to yes, I understand your point, and it's not bad, but so what I want to tell you that if you understand this concept, actually this concept is used a lot, especially in exam questions. So and when we learn about sorting arrays and sorting list, this concept is used a lot actually. So if you want to always push small numbers at the front of the list and arrange a list so that, so if you have a list, let me put a different color. So if you have a list like that with 100 and then 1 and then 10 and then 20 like that, you want to arrange a list and push large numbers to the back. And so we always have to go loop through a list and compare. Okay, which one is bigger? So if we discover that 1 is bigger than 100, so we switch places. So the first iteration that we go, okay, so we switch here, and then we find, okay, we replace positions, and then we continue. So, okay, we continue. So we compare 100 and 10. 100, okay, so 10 is smaller. So we say 10, 100, and then 20. So we find, oh, 100 is bigger or smaller. So, oh, no, 20 is smaller. So we make 10, 20, and then 100. So actually, this is a sorting algorithm that we will learn. It's fixed algorithm, and there is 3 or 4 types that we can learn. So, okay, now we have to close and open again, please.
Okay.